Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of online privacy and security, and we're going to explore how to set up a custom VPN using the Gold V2Ray app and a WireGuard VPN server. A VPN, or virtual private network, creates a secure connection between your device and the internet, making it harder for others to track your online activity and intercept your data. Let's get started. Step 1. Downloading the Gold V2Ray app. First, open your web browser and search for Gold V2Ray. Tap on the official Gold V2Ray link. Locate and click the download button. Install the VPN app and launch it. Step 2. Creating your WireGuard VPN server. Now, open your web browser and search for UDP Custom. Tap on the official UDP Custom website. Tap on the hamburger icon and select SSH Servers. Scroll down and tap on WireGuard VPN. Fill out the account form. Complete the CAPTCHA and tap the Create button. This will generate your custom WireGuard VPN server. Step 3. Copying your server details. Once your server is created, copy your server details. You'll need them for setting up your VPN configuration in the Gold V2Ray app. Step 4. Configuring your VPN, return to the Gold V2Ray app and tap the plus icon. Choose the WireGuard protocol. You can either manually input the server details or import them from your clipboard. Step 5. Connecting to your server, tap on the configuration to select it, and then tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. And that's it. You've successfully set up a custom VPN using the Gold V2Ray app and a WireGuard VPN server, enhancing your online privacy and security. Remember, using a VPN can significantly boost your online privacy, but it's crucial to stay informed about the latest online security threats and to update your security measures regularly. Don't forget to check out our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for more helpful tips and resources. The links are in the description. And as always, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. See you in the next video.